Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to talk about what you should add to your chicken water for maximum health and egg production. Did you know that what you put in your chicken's water can make or break their health as well as their egg production? If you're only giving plain water, you might be missing out on big benefits like stronger eggshells, better digestion, and even disease prevention. In today's video, I'll share the best natural additives to boost your chicken's health, how to keep them laying consistently all year round, and the number one mistake that could harm your flock. Stick around until the end because I'll be revealing a powerful secret ingredient used by top farmers. Before we dive in, tap the like button if you love your chickens and don't forget to subscribe for more expert backyard chicken keeping tips and tricks. So why should you add supplements to your water? Water is the lifeline of your chickens, but just like us, they need extra nutrients to stay healthy, fight disease, and lay strong eggs. Why should you add supplements to chicken water? Number one, they boost egg production. Their essential minerals improve egg quality. They also support digestion. They help prevent issues like diarrhea and crop issues as well. They strengthen immunity. They reduce the risk of infections and diseases. And lastly, they prevent dehydration, which is really important in hot weather and stressful situations. So I used to give my chickens just plain water until I learned how a few simple additives could actually help to keep my flock healthier and also laying more eggs. So if you're not supplementing with your chicken's water, you're missing out on easier flock management and fewer health issues. What are the best additives to add to chicken's water? Number one is apple cider vinegar. It's absolutely amazing for helping to improve digestion and gut health. It supports the immune system. It helps prevent harmful bacteria in water, and you should add 1 tablespoon per gallon of water, and you need to use raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Since I started adding apple cider vinegar to my chicken's water, I've seen shinier feathers and better digestion, but don't use it in metal waters because it reacts negatively with the metal. Another thing that you can add to your chicken's water is garlic. Now, garlic is a natural antibiotic and immune booster. It also helps to prevent parasites and respiratory issues, and it reduces odor in droppings. You should add 1 crushed garlic clove per gallon of water. I started giving my chickens garlic once a week, and I rarely deal with disease anymore. But be careful, too much garlic can change the taste of their eggs. Another thing you can add to your water is electrolytes and vitamins, and this works to prevent dehydration in hot weather, and it also helps chickens recover from stress and illness. It boosts their energy as well as their egg production. You can use store-bought chicken poultry electrolyte mix, or you can even make your own. In order to make your own, you need half a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of sugar per gallon of water. In the summer, I always add electrolytes during heat waves to prevent heat stress. It's absolutely a game changer. But the tip here is not to overuse. Only add electrolytes when needed to avoid mineral imbalances. Number 4 on the list is oregano oil. It is a natural antibiotic alternative, and it helps prevent issues like coccidiosis as well as respiratory infections, and it supports gut health and overall immunity. You should add 1 to 2 drops per gallon of water, and I started using oregano oil because pig farmers used it as a natural alternative to antibiotics. Now my flock is healthier than ever. You can also use high quality food grade oregano oil for best results. You can also make your own at home if you don't want to purchase the oregano oil, but trust me, it is very powerful once you start using it for your chicken. Number 5 on the list is prebiotics, and you could just simply use unflavored yogurt or prebiotic powder, and what it does is it restores good bacteria in the gut. It helps after antibiotic treatments, and it improves digestion and nutrient absorption. How much should you add? Well, you should add 1 teaspoon of prebiotic powder or 1 tablespoon of yogurt per gallon of water. And if your chickens have diarrhea or they've just finished a deworming treatment, probiotics really help to rebalance their gut fast. So avoid flavored yogurt because because it contains sugar, which is really bad for chicken. Number 6 on the list is molasses for detox and energy boost. Now, this is optional as well. You might not want to use it, and I totally understand, but it does have its benefits. Number 1, in terms of the molasses benefits, is that it is a natural detoxifier. It helps to flush toxins, and it provides extra minerals. It helps weak or stressed chickens recover, and you should add 1 tablespoon per gallon of water only for 24 hours as a detox. And I used molasses once after deworming, or when the chicken seemed sluggish. You can also use it, and it's like an instant energy boost. Now, too much molasses can cause diarrhea, so use it sparingly. Now, what should you not add to chicken water? You should not add citrus juice because it can interfere with their calcium absorption. Don't add any sugary drinks because it can cause digestive issues and obesity, and definitely do not add too much salt because it works to dehydrate chicken instead of hydrating them. So I once did the mistake of adding too much salt in an electrolyte mix. Lesson learned. They unfortunately got dehydrated, and I had to quickly notice them and fix the issue. Now, be careful. Some natural remedies can do more harm than good if you use them incorrectly. So how often should you add these ingredients? For example, we've got apple cider vinegar. You can add it either daily or every other week. Garlic, you add it once a week. Oregano, you add it once to twice a week. As needed, you can add electrolytes only on hot days or if you're dealing with any sick birds. Probiotics you can add after stress or after giving them antibiotic medication. And molasses is only for the detox. Adding the right supplements can keep your flock healthy, productive, and resilient. So as a recap, what should you add to your chicken's water? Number 1 is apple cider vinegar for digestion. Number 2 is garlic for immunity. Number 3 is electrolytes for hydration. Number 4 is oregano oil for disease prevention. Number 5 is probiotics for gut health. And lastly, number 6, molasses for detox. Try these and see the difference in your chicken. What is your go-to water additive? Drop your comments below and let me know. Before you go, hit the like and subscribe for more chicken keeping tips and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on a new video. Take care and have a great day.